This unpaved road was constructed with Perma-Zyme about 5 months ago. This road and land that we're standing on is all privately owned and privately maintained. This land is specifically used for hunting and different outdoor activities, and so this road is used for heavy vehicles that are used to get back into that area for the hunting, but then even heavy vehicles that are used for the cleaning and maintenance of the land. And so this road sees a wide variety of uses. It's also important to note that since this road has been constructed, this road has seen about 2 to 3 different hurricanes, varying in intensity, but this road has seen a great deal of rain and a great deal of moisture on the surface and has held up very well. So this is a good example of how you can use Perma-Zyme in a wide variety of climates and in a wide variety of soils to create a hard, resilient road